Hello students, our lesson today is about division part 2. Let us start. First of all, division operations. If I have this operation and I want to calculate its answer, I write 600 divided by 3. I take the 6. I ask myself 3 times what gives me 6? 3 times 2. I write 6 and I subtract. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Then I copy the zeros left. Look how it takes much time with us. That's why there is another way of dividing. Let us see what is it. First, divide the numbers alone without zeros. Means 6 divided by 3. Ask yourselves 3 times what gives me 6? 3 times 2 it's equal to 6. Then 6 divided by 3 it's equal to 2. Second step, copy the zeros. How many zeros I have to copy? I have 2 zeros to copy. Then the answer will be 200. Another example, 16,000 divided by 2. First step, divide the numbers. Means 16 divided by 2. Ask yourselves, 2 times what gives me 16? 2 times 8, it's equal to 16. Then 16 divided by 2, it's equal to 8. Second step, copy the zeros. How many zeros I have to copy? I have 3 zeros to copy. I write them beside the 8 and the answer will be 8,000. More examples. 300 divided by 6. Here, first I want to divide the numbers. Can we divide 3 by 6? No, we cannot. That's why we are going to take the 30. 30 divided by 6. I ask myself, 6 times what gives me 30? 6 times 5, it's equal to 30. Then 30 divided by 6, it's equal to 5. Next, copy the zeros. Pay attention. In the first step, we took 30. Means I still have only 1 zero to copy and the answer will be 50. Wow, popping zeros. Look how nice is this. If we have 4,600 divided by 10, first pop the zeros. Means 1 zero from the first number will pop with 1 zero from the second number. What do we still have? We still have 460 divided by 1. Second step, divide the numbers and copy the zeros left. I have 460 divided by 1. I divide 46 divided by 1 gives us 46 and I want to copy the zeros. How many zeros I have? I have only 1 zero. I write it beside the 46 and the answer will be 460. If I have 56,000 divided by 800, first step, pop the zeros. Means in this one, I have to pop 2 zeros from the first number and 2 zeros from the second number. I still have 560 divided by 8. Second, divide the numbers. Means 56 divided by 8. I ask myself, 8 times what gives me 56? 8 times 7, it's equal to 56. I write 7. Then I copy the zeros. How many zeros are left to copy? I have only 1 zero to copy. Then the answer will be equal to 70. Now we are going to find missing number. If I have 48,000 divided by what number gives me 80? First, pop the zeros. Means 1 zero from the first number will pop with 1 zero from the answer. Then I'm going to work with 48 and 8. I ask myself, 48 divided by what gives me 8? Means 8 times what gives me 48? 8 times 6, it's equal to 48. Then I write 6. Next, I copy the zeros left. How many zeros I still have? I still have 2 zeros. I write them as they are and the answer will be 600. Another example, 200 divided by what gives me 5? We said that the first step is popping the zeros, but in here I don't have zeros to pop. That's why I start directly with numbers. I can't take 2 divided by what gives me 5. Then I will take 20 and ask myself, 20 divided by what gives me 5? Another way, 5 times what gives me 20? 5 times 4, it's equal to 20. I write 4. Then I copy the zeros left. Means I have only 1 zero to copy and I write it beside the 4 and the answer will be 40. Let us check if our work is correct. As for the second example, 200 divided by 40. The first step is to pop the zeros. I pop 1 zero from the first number and 1 zero from the second number. I still have have 20 divided by 4. I ask myself 4 times what gives me 20? 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Then I write 5 in the answer. As for the first example, let us check. 48,000 divided by 600. I pop zeros, 2 zeros from the first number and 2 zeros from the second number. I still have 480 divided by 6. I ask myself, 6 times what gives me 48? 6 times 8, then I write 8. How many zeros I have to copy? 1 zero. Then the answer will be 80 and my work is correct. These are extra exercises. You have to solve them on your copybook by finding the missing number. And this is your homework in your book. Stay safe and miss you all.